Hello and welcome to another episode of To The Point. The topic of discussion is what is quantum computing? Why in news? Google's recent unveiling of Willow, a quantum chip that reduces errors compared to its predecessors, marks a significant step toward making quantum computing a practical reality. About quantum computing. Quantum computers operate based on quantum mechanics, which studies the smallest particles. Richard Feynman proposed in 1982 the concept of a computer capable of simulating quantum systems. Researchers realized that classical computers couldn't handle quantum complexities, leading to the creation of quantum computers. Basics of quantum computing. Classical computers use bits as their basic unit, representing information as either 0 or 1. Quantum computers, however, use qubits, which can exist in multiple states at once due to a concept called superposition. A qubit can be 0, 1, or a combination of both, enabling quantum computers to perform multiple computations simultaneously. Another key principle is entanglement, where qubits are linked, so measuring one instantly reveals information about the other, regardless of distance. These two principles, superposition and entanglement, allow quantum computers to process information much faster than classical computers, solving complex problems more efficiently. Significant milestones. Quantum computers, though technologically superior, aren't automatically better than classical computers for all tasks. Experts have developed specific tasks demonstrating their potential, such as Peter Shor's 1994 algorithm for large number factorization, which classical computers take millions of years to do. This has huge implications for data security. Quantum computing progressed with IBM's 2019 release of the Q System 1, a circuit-based quantum computer, and Google's achievement of quantum supremacy with its Sycamore processor, solving a problem in 200 seconds that would take a supercomputer 10,000 years. Google also introduced Willow, a quantum chip with error-corrected qubits that improves as it scales. Quantum computers face challenges with error correction as quantum states are prone to errors due to environmental interactions. Key initiatives taken by the Indian government. The Union Cabinet approved the National Quantum Mission on 19 April 2023 with a budget of Rs 6,003.65 crore from 2023-24 to 2030-31. Key objectives include developing intermediate-scale quantum computers, satellite-based secure quantum communications, and intercity quantum key distribution. In December 2021, the Indian Army set up a quantum computing laboratory and an AI center at a military engineering institute at Mau, Madhya Pradesh. It is also backed by the National Security Council Secretariat. Now it's time for the practice question. Consider the following statements about quantum computing. Quantum computers use qubits which can exist in multiple states at once due to a concept called superposition. Recently, Amazon introduced Willow, a quantum chip with error-corrected qubits. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. Send us the answer in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe. And do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.